Spoon face massage for jowls and laugh lines. Spoon face massage will lift jowls, reduce wrinkles, remove laugh lines and help you get glowing skin.
Spoon face massage. Hello everyone, today we'll be doing the spoon cheek lifting massage to lift saggy skin and chubby cheeks. Please apply oil before starting. Let's begin.
Balloon massage. Fill mouth with air, take 2 spoons and begin a tapping massage on bubble cheeks. This is best face exercise to lift jowls, lose face fat and reduce laugh lines. By nasolabial folds. Pucker lips and start spoon massage from nasolabial folds to upward. This face exercise also helps to lift sagging cheeks and reduce smile lines or laugh lines. Cheek lifting massage. Take 2 spoons and begin massage on cheeks, jawline and chin. This will lift jowls, makes sharp jawline and reduce smile lines as well. Chubby cheeks massage. Reduce chubby cheeks and laugh lines with spoon massage. Begin spoon massage on cheeks in upward direction to lift saggy jowls and cheeks. Lift mouth corners. Massage lips area with spoon to reduce wrinkles around lips, lift mouth corners and eliminate laugh lines. Massage for 30 seconds repeatedly. Lift up. Smile and massage with spoons to lift nasolabial folds, remove laugh lines and reduce wrinkles around mouth. Remove laugh lines. Begin spoon massage from ears and slowly move towards nose line. This face massage will help to remove laugh lines and lift jowls. Saggy cheeks. Start face massage with nose slimming massage. Massage around nose line and then move towards cheeks ball. This is one of the best facial massage to reduce wrinkles around mouth, lift saggy cheeks, lift mouth corners and for sharp jawline and jowls. Sharp chin and jawline. Massage your chin in a circular motion using spoon and then massage around jawline. Get sharp jawline and lifted jowls with this face exercise.